Okay, so this is the SYNCO microphone. I got it because the mic that I'm currently using, one day my phone fell and I noticed that the part that is attached to the phone has started to bend. So instead of waiting for it to get completely damaged, I just got this one as a backup. So I got this one from AliExpress, and yeah, I'm going to be unboxing it in this video, and after using it for a while, I'm going to be doing a full review. I'm currently using the overhead stand that I bought, overhead tripod that I bought from AliExpress to make this video. The review for that one should be up in about a day or two, so expect it very soon. Alright, so yeah, let the unboxing begin. So the box looks good. I like the design, I like the color. Black is one of my favorite colors, black and red actually. Okay, maybe I'll have to spin it this way. Okay, so we have the manual. I'll look at it later on. Alright, so we have a bag or a case for the microphone, which is quite nice. I'm going to unzip it. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. So I'm going to be leaving a link to the mic in the description so you guys can get it if you want. So this is attached to the mic. This is for, I forgot what it's called. I think it's called cat hair also. It's just to reduce wind, the sound that you get when wind blows. I hardly use this because I don't make videos outside. I'm always indoors when I make videos. Okay, so we have one battery here. I don't know the size of the battery. And then we have one more wind protector stuff. So yeah, so this is the microphone. The wire is very long, which is something I'm used to at this point. When I got the one that I'm currently using, I felt like the wire was too long, but now I'm used to it. So yeah, this all looks good, and I'm going to start using it to see how it is in terms of sound quality. I will not be testing that in this video. So that's the unboxing. Let me know if you have questions regarding the microphone, and I'm going to be making videos on how to use it eventually. If you guys found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in the next one. Take care and bye-bye.